Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Throne. So firstly you have to log into your account, then there you will see the profile icon. Click on the profile icon. There you can see the settings option. Click on settings option. It will take you to settings and integration. There you see the balance option. Click on the balance option. There you have it. Now scroll down. Then you can see set up withdrawals. But your account balance must be at least $3.5 to set up withdrawals. As you can see, my account balance is $0.00, so I cannot set up my withdrawals right now. But as soon as you reach $3.5, you can set up your withdrawals and follow the process to withdraw your money from Throne. As you can see, once your account has been verified, you can withdraw your balance to a withdrawal method of your choice, bank account or card. You can use those funds to then buy the gifted items for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful for you guys.